What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to find your Discord user ID on your mobile app. So let's first go to your profile by clicking on your photo on the bottom right corner here. That'll open my profile. Next, I'll press on the three dots on the top right corner here. And as you can see, there's an option to copy your username, but nothing on your user ID. To fix that, just scroll down here to the app settings section and then press on advanced. Activate the developer mode option, so press on the key here to check it. Then back and scroll up again. Press again on the three dots here. As you can see, nothing's happened. There's nothing on the user ID. And that's because you need to restart the app for the user ID option to show up. So let's close the app here and open it again. Go to my profile. Click on the three dots here. And as you can see now, there is an option to copy the user ID. You can tap on it to copy your ID and paste it in like the notes or any other app to view it.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.